What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Smooth Boy Rock, aka your mama's side boy Rock. And I'm back again finally. Finally had to take a break, but I'm back. I'm back like I left something. I left y'all. Back again with another video. It's the best of World Star cameras. So it's like divine, but you know it's like amateur. So it's just anybody I guess who submit to World Star. I want to try to get one of my videos up there. Anybody who submit to World Star, they get a feature in the compilation. I don't know. We're probably gonna see some ratchet stuff. It's World Star. I mean, it's always ratchet stuff. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thumbs up, no thumbs down. Comment, suggestions, anything, man. I'm here for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. Shit.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Ooh, the trigger.
Trying to sober up though. Then, bro, what? Can't be my friend. We fighting after that. Squad set him up for failure. Okay.
What's going on? I can't get no ride, but what the hell's going on?
That damn loss prevention. They be thinking they cops. Big feet on a hate hug at the end of the night. Why they laughing, man? That's man. She trying to slide out. She trying to.
Who wants some? Who wants some? Get some. I eat glass, motherfucker. Blood in the.
Man, he look like a demon.
I'm about to give you some shit you never heard in this motherfucker.
Oh my God. Ugh. Damn. Never made it to the wedding reception.
This is what happens when you chill with fucking me and you can't hang, bro. Like, what the fuck?
You're gonna need mad lip balm. Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Why they burnt this man lip? Look at him. Oh, we got these Dell commercials and stuff, man. Oh, let's get past this, man. Well, why would they do that, though?
No, we didn't.
Oh, yeah, she going to jail. Oh, yep, that's jail. She's fucked. 10-piece all dark family meal, Netflix and chill. What? What?
What the hell's going on?
That's talent. That's talent.
This nigga said this nigga put on fire.
Cause he probably high as hell. That's why. Look at him. Shaved his eyebrows off, choked them out, then violated his hairline. Why?
It's good.
Why?
My nigga Phil.
Why? Why?
Smash your whole face in, nigga.
Smash your whole face in, nigga. Mom eats pavement, trying to race her kids. Why you doing this, mama? Oh, she started out so good, though. Oh, my God. Yo, they be saying these Lambos be like straight catching fire. Like all the time. Like they straight be just exploding.
That's the way.
Hey, you sound like Ice JJ. What's that dude name? Ice JJ Fish. You the light skinned version? I don't know what this is, bro. What's up with, come on, at Wendy's, bro? Come on, man. Oh my God. Oh, she quick. Uh-oh, she coming outside. Uh-oh. World star. What? Damn. Like a roly-poly. Look like roly-poly. Well, if she spit on them, then she gonna be in trouble. Oh, and she knocked the camera out. Oh, that AK mean business. He gonna throw his shoulder out of joint. I don't know if he holding that right. He missed the paper the first time.
This what the fuck happened living in Maryland. My car is done. It's underwater. There's no ifs, ands, and nothing. Like, it's fucked up. You can't go out there. I went out there already. It's fucked up.
Damn, what's up everybody losing at the fast food restaurants? Fuck you. Fuck you. Where is she going? Is it snowing outside? Like, what is she doing right now? Why is she so mad at KFC? Damn, they still got a 99-cent store? What the hell is going on? Bro, what's up with these stores, man, these restaurants? People so mad. Did he try to pepper spray her low-key? I think he did. Becky in here filling for McConan. Man, they fucked up. Yeah, she really going in, ain't she? Nah, don't kiss her. Don't kiss her. You don't know what she been doing. Her hair all messed up too.
You got him on his tongue, bro. You got him on his tongue.
Bro, what? What the hell is that? Man, throw him back. Ain't nobody eating that. Nah, man. Are you serious? My daddy slapped the shit out my ass. Bruh. Bruh. Hold on. Where they going? Where they go? Bro, what's up? They clowning at another store? Oh my goodness, why are they so angry? At Walgreens, it's a pharmacy. She didn't get her medication on time. She didn't get her medication on time. She didn't get her medication on time. God damn. I don't know what is going on. They ran out of them light cigarettes.
That's who I want. You scared of her? 'Cause I ain't got nothing to hide from no motherfuckers. I don't do shit. I'm legit.
She old as hell. Huh?
I want to take that dope shit off of my bill.
She said legit, legit.
Man, I didn't get it already. I didn't get it already. The fuck I look like. I get the social security. I live on the fucking income.
What? Bro. What? These damn videos, man. Why is she going in like that though? I don't understand.
Fuck out of here and go home. A whole lot of shit didn't happen. A whole lot of shit didn't happen. That bitch don't pay attention. She going all fast. I used to do this work. You got to take her. Accuracy is better than go on that.
Oh, why can't she just leave? What's up with them spazzing out at stores? Thank goodness that's it. God dang. God dang. Why are they spazzing out at stores like this? I don't understand. You at Walgreens, be happy, nigga. I don't understand that, man. Anyway, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. There's more coming your way. I'm trying to get like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know how many videos I'm doing today. I'm just going to do them all back to back. But anyway, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. It's your boy Smooth Boy Rock. I'm out.